More than 30 years ago, my grandma and grandfather realized that it would be nice to have somewhere to go after a long week, as they could not travel much at that time. With the help of their parents, they saved all of their money and together found 3 wonderful places. This is one of them, a cabin among the forest and a dam to swim in. Autumn, winter, spring and now summer offer a lot of different sceneries. The atmosphere here changes as well, and observing the environment is something I enjoy the most. I took my sketchbook here to design planters from polymer clay for my upcoming online class. Between swimming, hanging out in the forest and having fun with my siblings, I'm sketching and thinking about all different shapes and their possibilities, construction patterns and color palette as well. Finding the simplicity in more difficult projects is something that I enjoy the most. The process might feel quite long, often overwhelming, but the truth is that it's inevitable. Weeks and months can pass from the first idea to final artwork, and I cannot make it faster. I even don't want to. In the end, I found the full journey of creating art that comes within myself quite beautiful. We moved our little studio into this place almost a year ago. At that time, it was just an empty, messy apartment, so me and my sister spent some time painting, cleaning, remaking the kitchen and other parts, and then organized all of our creative stuff for days, until everything found its own spot. So this is where it's all happening. Just a few minutes from our home, there is this little studio where we create, shoot videos, take photos and enjoy spending time together. When making these planters, I'm actually able to use a large amount of scrap clay for the base, that is then covered with my chosen color of polymer clay. I incorporate into the design my favorite pebble shapes that gives these planters a more organic look, yet it's all quite colorful and playful thanks to the colors I chose. To be honest, I thought that making a bigger polymer clay project with less details might be easier, but it's quite the opposite. It requires a lot of baking, sanding and drilling to finish a planter, but once done, it was time to find the right inhabitants to place them inside.
To vypadá jako když to někdo čůrá.
It's the middle of summer. Everything is growing, bursting with colors, but also changing so quickly that I'm always surprised how fast the time actually flies.
Mám vylaz až úplně nohu. Jo.
Making this video actually brings me a lot of memories and emotions, even though all those capture moments already happened. It's pure joy to film and share my story in this form, so one day, maybe in the middle of cold winter, I can go back for a little while and get some sunlight and warm memories of this season.